Hello, my name is Barbara. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and edit help in a help window. Let's begin by going to the page where we'll add help. I'll open the help window for this section of the page, then click this link to start working on the help content in this window. First, I want to add my own help in the help window. In this case, I'm adding a short FAQ, so I'll select Text to get a text editor and FAQ as the help type. The question for my FAQ is the topic title, the link text that'll appear in the help window. Keywords will help users find my FAQ in the help site. The description gives them a summary of the FAQ before they open it up. Finally, I'll enter the FAQ answer in the text editor and save my work. So now we see my FAQ in the help window and also in the help site with other related FAQs. Besides adding my own help, I can also edit existing help. Say I want to delete the second section in this help file. Now we see that the second section is gone. I can always revert to the original. Behind the scenes, I actually created my own version of the existing help, which was automatically inactivated. So I can just delete my own version and activate the original. And that's it. Thank you.